We searched how to buy shares of Hamilton Beach Brands Holding Co. to show the full process. Hamilton Beach makes small kitchen appliances and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HBB, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, so I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HBB to locate Hamilton Beach Brands Holding Co. Select the listing that matches NASDAQ and the HBB ticker to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker HBB before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be placed as a pending instruction. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After your order is confirmed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.